Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup your Rakuten reports and CSV exports step by step clearly. To backup your Rakuten reports and CSV exports, start by logging into your Rakuten account. Navigate to the Reports section of your dashboard. Locate the report you want to backup. Click on the report to open it. Look for the Export or Download option, usually found at the top right corner of the report. Select the CSV format for exporting your data. A download window may appear, prompting you to save the file. Choose a location on your computer for the downloaded file. Click on Save to download the CSV file. Now, open your File Explorer or Finder to access the save location. Confirm that the file has been downloaded successfully. For additional backup, consider creating a copy of the file. Right-click the CSV file and select Copy. Now, navigate to another secure location on your computer or an external drive. Right-click in that location and select Paste. To ensure your backup is safe, consider uploading the CSV file to a cloud storage solution. Open your cloud storage service and log into your account. Find the Upload option, typically marked with an icon or a button. Select the CSV file from your computer and begin the upload process. Wait for the upload to finish, confirming that the file is now stored in the cloud. You have successfully backed up your Rakuten reports and CSV exports. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.